Dry air making your skin itchy, your throat scratchy, or your sinuses feeling miserable? You're not imagining it. A lot of US homes struggle with low humidity, and choosing the wrong humidifier can actually make things worse. In this video, I'm breaking down what actually matters when choosing a humidifier for US homes, including the features most people overlook and sales reps rarely mention. We've also researched and reviewed 5 of the best humidifier models that homeowners are genuinely happy with. Before you pick the wrong humidifier, here's what really matters. First, understand how humidifiers work. They add moisture to the air to ease dry skin, scratchy throats, and static electric chaos. But the way they put that moisture out makes all the difference. Cool mist models use ultrasonic or evaporative tech to quietly disperse moisture without heat, safe around kids and pets. While warm mist models boil water and can feel cozier in chilly bedrooms but use more energy. Before you buy, match the output and room size. A small desktop unit won't do much for a large living room or master bedroom, and an oversized one can overhumidify a tiny nursery. Look for adjustable humidity controls so you can keep indoor humidity in a healthy range without guessing. Tank capacity and runtime matter too. Bigger tanks mean fewer refill trips, key in dry winters or overnight use. Safety is also real. Automatic shutoff when the tank is empty protects your unit and your peace of mind, and quiet operation keeps bedrooms restful. Finally, even on budget models, US-based warranty and customer support make a huge difference if an O-ring breaks or parts wear early. Watch out for this. Choosing a humidifier just because it's cute or cheap, if it can't maintain the right moisture level or is a nightmare to clean, you'll unplug it after a week. At number 5, the KZF Top Fill Cool Mist Humidifier is a solid entry-level choice if you want quiet, simple humidity for everyday comfort. It runs on just 25 watts, weighs only 2.57 pounds, and features a 4L water tank designed for rooms up to 300 square feet on low mode. It delivers up to 15 hours of runtime, making it suitable for bedrooms, nurseries, and plant care. The top fill design makes refilling effortless. Just pour water straight in, no tank removal needed. A built-in humidity display lets you monitor moisture levels at a glance, while 3 mist settings and an 8-hour timer allow for customized comfort. For added relaxation, there's an essential oil tray, and in sleep mode, it runs below 28 dB, staying whisper quiet through the night. On the safety side, the humidifier includes auto shutoff when water runs low and uses BPA-free materials, helping ensure worry-free daily use. Real users appreciate how easy it is to use with no assembly, its compact size for larger rooms, and its truly silent sleep mode. That said, feedback on mist output is mixed. Most find it effective, a few wish it were stronger. Who should buy this? It's best for light sleepers, nurseries, and small to medium rooms needing quiet moisture. To see current deals and availability, check the links in the description below. Coming in at number 4, the Levoit Top Fill Cool Mist Humidifier is a reliable, no-frills option designed for quiet, overnight comfort. With a 2.5-liter tank, 17-watt power draw, and a lightweight 2.16-pound build, it's ideal for bedrooms, nurseries, and plant-filled spaces up to 280 square feet. On low output, it delivers up to 25 hours of continuous runtime, helping relieve dry air, congestion, and irritated throats throughout the night. Levoit's easy top fill design makes refilling quick and mess-free. Just lift the lid and pour. Cleaning is just as simple thanks to the wide tank opening and minimal parts, eliminating hard-to-reach corners that trap buildup. Operation stays whisper quiet at just 26 dB, with lights fully off during sleep, making it especially suitable for babies and light sleepers. For customization, the single control knob lets you adjust mist output easily, while the 360-degree nozzle allows precise misdirection. On the safety side, the unit features auto shutoff when water runs low and is made from BPA-free materials, offering peace of mind for everyday use. Customer feedback is largely positive. Users describe it as simple, effective, stylish, and easy to use. Best for anyone wanting low-maintenance humidity, quiet performance, and 2-year warranty coverage. For current pricing and availability, check the description links below. Coming in at number 3, the Havana Cool Mist Humidifier is a versatile 3-in-1 humidifier, aromatherapy diffuser, and mood light, making it a strong all-around choice for bedrooms, nurseries, and home offices. Designed to cover up to 161 square feet, it features a generous 3.6-liter tank that delivers up to 34 hours of continuous runtime, reducing the need for frequent refills. Despite its large capacity, the unit remains lightweight at just 2.9 pounds, making it easy to move between rooms. One of its standout features is the ultra-quiet 23 dB operation, powered by Humvana's silent spray technology and display off sleep mode. This makes it ideal for babies, light sleepers, and nighttime use without disruption. The top-fill design with a wide 5.3-inch opening simplifies refilling and cleaning, while the detachable tank ensures hassle-free maintenance. Safety is a major focus here. The humidifier is BPA-free and includes automatic shutoff protection to prevent dry running or overheating, offering peace of mind for families with children. Additionally, the built-in aroma pad allows you to add essential oils for gentle fragrance, perfect for relaxation, yoga, or meditation. Customer feedback is highly positive. Users praise its quiet performance, easy operation, compact size, and large capacity, with many appreciating the night light colors and straightforward cleaning process. To see current deals and availability, visit the product links in the description. If you want stronger output or more coverage, you'll want to keep watching for number 2, which steps things up. Coming in at number 2, the Drio 4L Cool Mist Humidifier is a powerful yet quiet solution for large bedrooms, nurseries, and indoor spaces up to 300 square feet with a 4-liter top-fill tank. It delivers up to 36 hours of continuous runtime, minimizing refills while maintaining consistent comfort. Despite its size, it stays lightweight at just 3.12 pounds, making it easy to move and clean. Performance is where Drio shines. Its dual intake system and 4-inch mist outlet produce a supersized mist up to 40 inches tall, while 5 micrometers ultrafine particles spread humidity evenly without wetting surfaces. Noise stays low at just 28 decibel, making it ideal for babies and light sleepers. Safety and convenience are well covered with an easy top-fill design, full disassembly for cleaning, and automatic shutoff protection for peace of mind. It also doubles as a 3-in-1 unit, offering humidification, aromatherapy support, and a soft ambient night light. The humidifier includes a 12-month warranty. Customer feedback is highly positive, with users praising its quiet operation, strong mist output, easy maintenance, and effectiveness in large rooms. For updated pricing and availability, refer to the links provided in the description. Taking the top spot, the GoviLife Smart Cool and Warm Mist Humidifier is a high-end choice for large bedrooms, nurseries, and indoor plant spaces that want consistent comfort with smart control. With a 7-liter water tank, it offers up to 70 hours of continuous runtime and operates on 288 watts, so you spend less time refilling and more time enjoying balanced humidity. Even with its larger capacity, it's still easy to place around the home at just 5.7 pounds. One of its biggest strengths is smart connectivity. Pair it with the Govi app or Alexa, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi only, to adjust settings, monitor humidity, and set schedules from anywhere. The intelligent auto mode uses built-in sensors to maintain ideal moisture levels for your space without constant adjustments. You can choose between cool mist, 350 milliliters per hour, and warm mist, 650 milliliters per hour, depending on your needs, making this unit versatile year-round. Designed for peace and quiet, it runs at an ultra-low 26 decibel, perfect for sleep or focused work. The top-fill design and wide opening make refilling and cleaning easy, and a cleaning reminder helps you stay on top of maintenance. Customizable RGB lighting adds gentle ambience when needed or stays off to avoid light disturbance. Customers love how it works with Alexa, is easy to clean, and quietly maintains humidity, with some noting it helps indoor plants thrive and improves overall air comfort. For today's pricing and availability, check the links in the description. A humidifier helps fight dry air, but cold mornings can still make simple things like hot drinks or instant meals feel slow and inconvenient. For a quick solution, check this video on electric kettles. They make heating water fast and easy, perfect for winter comfort at home.